I want you to meet the newest recruit to the House of Birds and the first purchase of 2013. This is a grey Budgie. I think he's Spangle as well by the looks of it. I think so anyway. And I'm calling this Budgie Lima. That's after Douglas Lima. And he is new to the aviary. I have literally just released him into the porch. And he actually managed to stay in the air for quite some time. Usually they are a little bit spatially confused when they enter a new environment, and they sort of come out, flutter around, and then crash to the floor. But he stayed up for quite some time and managed to get himself sat, well, perched almost on the wire there. So I'm now going to try and get him from there into there, where his budgie playmates are all waiting. Lima seems far more interested in the finch enclosure on the other side of the wire than he does Budge's in his own enclosure. That is Jen. This puts a little size perspective on just how small Lima is compared to some of the others. Lima's quite small, and Joshua here is making friends with Lima and enjoying it. In fact, I've seen him, Joshua, bobbing and weaving. He is so happy that he has met. There you are, bobbing and weaving, the sign of a happy budgie. Joshua seems incredibly taken with Lima there. This is good because Joshua is quite well respected in this flock, and if Joshua has decided that Lima is a good egg, then the chances are nobody's going to, you know, friendly gestures from Joshua there. Lima's only been in there about 5-10 minutes and he's already on the wire. Oh, look at that, yes. Yes, Joshua likes Lima indeed. I've never seen him bob and weave. In fact, I've never seen him bob and weave before. I'd say Lima's not as interested as any. Do you know what I mean? He's not that. He is the newbie, but he's sort of spending. He's ignoring Joshua as much as he's sort of acknowledging all the attention. Jamie there with Joshua. I think they've decided that Lima's okay. As we wait for approval from Jens Jr., but who in fact has just flown up there. In fact, they're all there now. That's Jens Jr. there. Bonnie, Little Boom. Yes, it's going to get quite wobbly with them all on there. Flock dynamics. Oops, Jen's there. Now moved onto the perch. Fantastic.